Where are we, guys?
Tofino.
Yay, what are we doing?
I don't know.
So we are off on our week-long adventure. It's going to take us about 5.5 hours and super excited. Girls, are you excited?
Yeah, we may try surfing.
Yes, we might try surfing. Okay, so we've arrived and it's time to start setup. Okay, stop.
This is our campground, campsite number 5 at, what the hell is this place called? Oh, Wild Pacific Camp. It's right by the ocean. See, it's got lovely ocean views here. We're gonna like it here. It's got everything set up. Got our lights strung up. It's really pretty here. This is right off of our campground, overlooking Ucluelet Inlet. It's part of the Pacific Wild Trail, and there's a lot of signage. Pretty interesting stuff about the environment and some of the wildlife that you can see.
Ooh, there's birds.
So our campground is just over here.
And now we're just heading down to the beach.
And that's Terrace Bay back there behind me. This is literally a 2-minute walk from the RV park where we're staying.
This is what Mommy found on the beach.
What is it?
It's a really pretty turquoise blue. It matches my jackets.
Let me see, what do you got? Let me see your bounty.
I don't have much cool ones.
Well, that's pretty cool. What happened? You're usually the beach glass person.
Yeah, but this beach, it doesn't have so much beach glass.
No?
Yeah.
Just found some salmon berries back there. Salmon berries.
You're weird.
Yeah, you're gonna eat some salmon berries.
Yucky. I don't want to.
Look at what we got over here.
Don't get eaten by cougars.
Salmon berry. Look at that one though. Oh, really? That is a salmon berry. Grab these ones. I don't know if these ones are quite ready yet. Oh yeah, they're coming off nicely.
Don't eat it. I just saw a bug come out of it. No, thank you.
What?
I just saw a bug come out of it. No, thank you. Ew.
Tastes like salmon.
Give it to Isabel. She likes it.
Is he?
Sit.
Salmon berry?
I don't like the way they look.
Does he want some more salmon berry?
Now me and my sister, she's over there. We're relaxing on our hammocks. Bye-bye. Hi.
What are you doing, bud? You in the hammock? Stumbled across this remnants of, looks to be the gray whale. It's been here for some time though, and it's, oh, there's the jawbone. It's pretty big.
You have the head?
That is the jaw, yeah.
A lighthouse.
Wow, which one? Do you know what it's called?
No.
Amphitrite.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's right there.
It's right down here. Look at it. Oh, there it is. Beauty. What are you looking forward to seeing?
Whales.
Whales. You think there's going to be whales here?
Maybe.
Ow. Ow. Ah. What are you doing? Get off me, you wet thing. Ah, get off me. Is that cold?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
Why are you screaming?
It's fun.
This is Cox Beach. There's a lot of people out here. Girls are having a blast here. This is one of the best beaches, in my opinion, in Tofino area. All right, we're gonna go further out in the surf here. Come on, ladies. Ah! Ah! Woohoo! Ah! Getting all wet there, eh?
Yeah.
You got wet too?
Oh, pants wet.
Your whole pants are wet.
Look at this.
Oh my. Did you have fun though?
Yeah.
Yeah. The bog walk.
But warning, there's wolves around.
Okay, we brought a snack with us. Hey, snack. This is our cougar snack. So if
Not
we get into
really.
trouble, we just let go of the leash and we give the cougar an hors d'oeuvre.
We wouldn't let that happen.
You don't think so?
No, she's our doggy.
I would push you then and run.
No. Yeah, do it.
A beautiful day out. What do you guys think of this?
Cool.
Are you the marshmallow master?
Yep.
I didn't know you taste marshmallows.
I want to watch you eat it.
Well, I have to give you a second. Why does that turn you on? Oh, look at, the top came off. Then you get next round.
Yuck.
No.
Double
It's
toasting.
multi-layered. Oh my. It's like I did this and went.
Elsie, come closer. Look at me. Was that delicious?
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
can you not get in your mouth?
What do your hands look like? Oh my
Okay,
marshmallow.
we had the same amount of marshmallows and ate them the same, and this is me, and that's Elsie.
Mm-hmm. Oh boy. Well, something really stinks in the car, and we just checked Isabel out, and Elsie and Amelia said that something really stunk.
Oh my god.
Oh,
What the hell is this? Oh, it's like the shell that we picked up on the beach this morning.
we? I don't think there was a we in the picking up of the shell. Does your whole coat?
Oh.
Oh, does your whole coat stink?
Yes.
Why would you do
It
that?
smells like dog crap. What the hell's wrong?
It's all over your hands?
Yes.
Oh. Well, note to self, smell the shell before you take it. Elsie, are you gonna barf?
All right. So what are we gonna do, ladies?
Surf.
Surf.
We're going surfing.
Boogie.
Well, boogie boarding. So we just went to Relic
Relic surf shop.
Surf Shop in Ucluelet, and we just picked up 4 wetsuits. I always say dry suits because that's all I ever wear, and 2 boogie boards. And we're gonna go to Wickaninnish Beach and see what this holds. What you got going on, bud?
I can't get this wetsuit on. Hi guys. Hi YouTube.
Get your arm here. All right, let me see you.
So what's going on?
It's backwards.
Is that why it didn't fit?
Help me.
Yeah, it probably makes a.
Is that why you couldn't move your legs? Because the knee patches were in the back?
Probably makes a big
Help me.
Come on, get rid of those noodles. Come on, noodle arms.
Ow.
Straight. Nobody has ankles this skinny and wears this size wetsuit.
Daddy.
Jason, I can't get it up.
What do you think about this?
I think it's like the worst girdle I've ever worn.
Elle.
You could do a full body scan if you want.
Nope, that's okay. I'll get in trouble. I'll be edited on the floor afterwards.
This is okay, guys.
How do you feel?
Not good.
Oh no, why not, Peanut?
Doesn't feel good.
All right, so that was quite the excursion. Oh, we got some other things going on here. Took us about half an hour to get our wetsuits on. We had them on backwards, inside out. Couldn't get the shoes on, zippers. Feel like we are sardines in a can. Good job! Alright, we just came back from surfing at Wickaninnish Beach. It was awesome. The girls. How'd you guys do?
I did good. I rode a double wave and I went to one of the big ones.
Awesome. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Elle?
Yes.
We all did really well. Proud of you guys. Do this.
Whee!
What's that?
Are these sea plants?
What are you doing?
We're in the aquarium.
At the beach.
I made sandcastles and it's called Sticktown.
Sticktown?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's take a look at Sticktown. Whoa.
That's the King and Queens and those are the other people's houses.
Nice.
And then I'm going to make a whole city over there.
This is my new concoction of roasted marshmallow. And could you hand me two bite brownies?
Mine, please.
Oh.
Ugh.
All right. You know what? Let's not get it all over your new shirt and hat. Okay, look at your hands already there, Meatball.
This is not real good. This is real good.
Oh, funny. Please just don't get it all over your new coat because that won't come off.
No.
Okay, sit down. What's for lunch?
Tacofino.
Nice. What'd you get?
I don't remember.
You got some gringas and you have a burrito. And we're just eating in the back of the car. Tuna taco. And Mom has the chicken
burrito.
We are just starting our walk through the Wild Pacific Trail. Isabel, you know where we're going? What did you guys find?
A lock tree.
Oh, a lock tree.
Look at those ones there. Those ones are really old.
This one here is really pretty.
That one's so old it now looks like a tree.
Where are we?
Underwear Beach.
Here we are at Chesterman Beach, I guess, as Elsie would like to say, Underwear Beach. So we surprised the girls. We actually have 2 more nights left, and we're going to be staying at the new Surf Grove campground that's in Tofino. It's the first campground that's been built in Tofino area in 20 years. Hey, Monkey.
Hi.
Having fun?
Not really.
Not really. Yeah. And we'll be going to a new site. We're looking forward to that, though. Check out the new digs and facilities. Whew, almost got hit knocked by a branch. Awesome.
Our parents provided us with another 2-night stay at a different campsite.
It's raining, so we're hoping that stops, but we just went to a grocery store and picked up
Food.
a turkey sandwich. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
you've lost your mind. Oh my god. Maybe we should kick him out of the car and run.
Comment on.
Comment down below. He's weird.
Photography tick. Look at. There you go. Perfect. I look like an old grumpy man.
So Amelia, what do you think of this new campsite at Surf
Good.
Grove?
It's really good. It's bigger. It's really nice.
That's great.
Also, the beach is right over there. I think it's awesome.
Yeah, you like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Gonna have a good 2 days?
Mhm.
Awesome.
Awesome. Yo, yo, I'm a surfer girl.
What are you? Oh yeah. This is gonna be a big one, Al.
No, don't let go.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna take Isabel to get some ice cream. Izzy, get some ice cream?
Vanilla with key lime pie and hot fudge.
That sounds excellent. And Elsie's got cookie dough, chocolate, and what else? Salted caramel. How's that sound? Is it good?
Yes.
Fantastic.
Get that for
Got
yourself.
some vanilla ice cream for Isabel. Oh, she's right in there.
Wait for it. Wait. Cookie crumbs are at the bottom.
Now, let me see your face. You're like the messiest kid I've ever known.
Are you sure with that?
Pretty sure. Is it good?
I rock. Let me read it.
Oh, nice. What does it say? Happy Camper, Surf Grove. That's where we're staying, right?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
I'm gonna put it down somewhere like here.
Is it in our campsite?
Yeah.
Looks awesome.